Hi there guys, my name is David, you're watching VivaLaAutomotive, and today is my third day in Monaco and my last day in this absolutely stunning apartment behind me. My Swiss friends already left, but I still have 3 good days of car spotting out here in Monaco. But first let me show you how this apartment looks. Alright, so here's the main sort of kitchen table. Then here's one room, double bed. There's a whole balcony out there. I think it's overexposed, but whatever. Then a couch area, sort of a small kitchen. Then first bathroom over here. And if we walk over to this way, second bathroom over here, and third bathroom. And then there's another bedroom, and the last bedroom. No supercars around. But yeah, we're going to head to the center and see some of those good hypercars and supercars that Monaco has to offer. But as always, if you're enjoying this series of video from Monaco, consider giving them a like and subscribing to my YouTube channel for the upcoming content, which I promise will be good. But that's enough blabbing for now. The street is really noisy. I hope you can hear anything. Let's head to the central. I left our apartment in the morning, and on my way to the city center, a Ferrari Enzo drove in the opposite lane. Of course, I immediately turned around, but got stuck on a traffic light and lost the Enzo from sight. Thankfully, the Enzo was parked up just around the corner, and I got a good chance to look at it. There it is, another Enzo. And I'm sitting here on my bike. These random super rare cars driving by is the thing that I enjoy the most about Monaco. The Ferrari Enzo came out in 2002 as Ferrari's flagship model. It is limited to only 400 cars and has a 6-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine producing 651 horsepower. After a while of me just staring at this beautiful piece of Italian engineering, the owner invited me to sit in the car. And you don't say no to sitting in a $3 million Ferrari Enzo. I don't really sound too excited in this video, but trust me, on the inside, I was screaming. Oh my god, what has just happened? This is amazing. With all the buttons, Enzo Ferrari. Wow. Alright guys, so from seeing an Enzo, I am now sitting in a Ferrari Enzo for the second time in my life, but now on the street. How did this happen? The owner is so nice. Also, you can see how my hand was shaking from excitement. Or perhaps it is Parkinson's disease? Ciao, grazie. And just like that, the Enzo left and I headed to the port because it was already quite late and I had nothing for breakfast. That was a 599 GTO, and I didn't take proper shots because I'm eating my lunch here. Oh my god. From the port, I went to the Ferrari Service, which is just behind the corner from my favorite supermarket. And there was this 812 Superfast with a completely wrecked tire. Seriously, I have no idea how this happened, but it looked pretty nasty. The Ferrari A12 Superfast is a front-engine V12 Ferrari introduced in 2017, which is an engine producing 789 horsepower and 718 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is capable of getting the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.9 seconds and a top speed of 211 miles per hour. But of course, with a tire looking like this one over here, even a tractor would be faster. I am now at the Ferrari Service here in Monaco, and there is a Ferrari Dino back there, finished in Rosso Dino. And then here we have all 5 out of the Ferrari Big 5 of hypercars. So the Ferrari 288 GTO from 1984, the Ferrari F40 from 1987, then a Ferrari F50 finished in black, which is very rare I think, then an Enzo and a LaFerrari. And the videos that you've seen previously were the mechanics trying to maneuver this Ferrari A12 Superfast with the tire completely off. Well, not completely off, but almost completely off the car. I don't know how that happened, but it looks nasty. From the Ferrari Service, I went up to the Fairmont hairpin where I sat down and waited for cars to come past. In front of the Hermitage Hotel, we have got cars which I have all seen in the previous days, but let me walk you through them once again. So first of all, there's this Giallo F12 TDF with the stripe. Then we have got this 488 Pista, finished in this dark blue with this lighter blue and black stripe, which I think looks absolutely stunning. And actually it's a Pista Spider, not a normal Pista. And then a Alcantara blue interior with the Italian tricolore running down the middle of the seats. Anyway, then we've got this Ferrari Dino GTS, which comes with the rare flares and chairs package, which has got these extended flares over the wheel arches, as well as the Daytona seats with this design and pattern coming from the Ferrari Daytona, as the name suggests. And lastly, there is this Ferrari California, quite standard. Like the color though. I'm now at the Casino Square, and there is a fully blacked out Swiss Audi R8 Spider V10, as well as a 488 GTB Spider finished in this sort of really dark blue paint. So let's go and have a closer look at it. So here we have it, this really dark blue paint combined with yellow calipers, standard Ferrari shields, and then matched with the interior, which is finished in the similar shade of blue and with yellow stitching to match the calipers. It's a stealthy looking spec, but really nice indeed. And if we move just a few meters to the side from the Casino Square, there is this blacked out Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. Black paint, black rims and black calipers. I don't know what I think about this spec. I think it's a bit boring, to be honest, but I love this Superleggera badge, which is pretty much on every Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. And after the Audi R8 and the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera, continuing with the murdered out black specs, we've got this GT2RS, once again from Switzerland, with the Weissach pack. So I don't know if this is going to be on the video, but yeah, this is carbon fiber, black rims, yellow calipers, and this yellow RS badge over here. I personally don't really like the GT2RS is in black because I feel like it's a bit boring. I don't know, I would have chosen like a Miami blue, or in the best case like a BTS color from the 90s or something. Maybe the, what's the name of the color? I forgot. That sort of really saturated pink. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just going to pop it on the screen. But at least this spec has got the roll cage, which is really cool detail. And this is everything for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos from Monaco. That's everything from me. Hopefully, see you next time.